All right, so let's just talk about multiplication and division of fractions. So multiplying fractions is actually my favorite. It is the simplest process when dealing with fractions because there's no converting, no changing denominators, no nothing. All you have to do is literally multiply straight across. So let's have at it. 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 4 is 12, and voila, you're done. See? That is why I like it. So let's go ahead though and now look at division because division is a little different, but it's only different by one step. So with division, you never want to actually keep it as a division problem with fractions. I don't know how many of you have heard about this, but there is a little slogan called keep, change, flip. And actually, I mean, now they don't like using those terms because they want you to keep it, they want it to be keep, change, and then write the reciprocal. But that's kind of a mouthful. So keep, change, flip, much easier. All right, so you keep the first fraction, you change the sign, and you flip the second fraction. So let's see what that looks like. If I'm keeping the first fraction, I am keeping it exactly the same. If I'm changing the sign, I change it actually into a multiplication sign instead of that division sign. And then I flip the second fraction. So that means I, write the reciprocal. Basically, you put the denominator on top and the numerator on the bottom. So they switch places. And now, fancy this, we now have our multiplying fractions again. So 1 times 6 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. And that is going to be our answer. So make sure whenever you encounter fraction problems with division, make sure you keep, change, and flip so it becomes a multiplication problem instead.